Hey there, little artists! Welcome back to Zoonitoons, where we bring your favorite movie characters to life through fun drawings and bright colors. Today, we're racing into the world of Disney Cars with Ramone, Lightning McQueen, Mater, and Guido. So grab your markers and let's hit the track. Let's start with Ramone, the cool, low-riding car who loves to show off his shiny paint jobs. Begin by sketching his sleek body, the smooth curves, and his relaxed eyes that give him that classic style. Add his wheels and front grille. Ramone always looks ready to cruise down radiator springs in style. Now color Ramone with deep purple tones for his body to make him look stylish and confident. Add touches of blue and light shades to highlight his cool, glossy finish. With that paint job done, Ramone is looking smoother than ever. Next up, it's Lightning McQueen, the fastest race car on the track. Draw his bold body shape with that big, confident smile that shows he's always ready to race. Don't forget his lightning bolt design on the side. That's his signature speed symbol. Fill in the lightning bolt with yellow and add a few blue details for his eyes and wheels. Color his body bright red, just like a true racing champion. Now Lightning McQueen is ready to shout "Ka Chow" and race to victory. Now, let's draw Mater, the funny tow truck who's full of heart and laughter. Add his bumpy, boxy body. Mater might look rusty, but he's got a golden heart. Sketch his big friendly smile, wide eyes, and the toe gear at the back. Add a little red for his hat and some gray details for his tow hook. Use orange and brown shades to bring out Mater's old but strong look. With those colors, Mater looks ready to help his friends anytime, anywhere. Finally, let's draw Guido, the speedy little pit crew car. Start with his round face, small body, and those cheerful eyes that show how happy he always is. Draw his little arms and tiny wheels. Guido may be small, but he's super fast. Add white for his face to make his expression stand out. Color Guido with a bright blue body and soft gray for his wheels. And there you have Guido, looking ready to zoom and help Lightning McQueen win the race. And that's it, artists. Our Cars team is complete. Ramone shines with style, McQueen races with speed, Mater makes us laugh, and Guido helps every pit stop succeed. If you love drawing and coloring with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zoonitoons, where every drawing drives you toward creativity and fun.